Why you feel guilty when you're finally doing better. No one talks about this part of healing, the part where your life gets better and you feel guilty about it. You're calmer now, healthier, more stable, and somehow that peace feels wrong. This isn't self-sabotage, it's loyalty. When you grow up in chaos, pain becomes a bond. Struggle becomes proof of love. So when you stop suffering, your nervous system asks, who am I if I'm not needed? Healing can feel like betrayal when your role was to carry the weight for everyone else. You weren't taught that joy was allowed. You were taught survival was your job. Your growth doesn't abandon anyone. It simply breaks an unspoken contract that said you had to stay small to belong. You don't need permission to live well. Your peace isn't selfish. It's earned, and it doesn't require your suffering as proof. So, embrace yourself. Allow joy to rise within and be reflected in your laughter.